Today, I want to show you all our favorite apps for your Google Pixel and all of your Android phones. In this video, we've handpicked all of our favorite apps that we think are going to allow you to use your Google Pixel like an absolute pro. And most of these apps you can download on the Google Play Store, or they come right on the phone as soon as you get it. So let's dive right into all of our favorite apps for your Google Pixel and your Android phones. The first app I want to talk about is Lootup, where you can make money, earn incredible rewards and prizes by completing the simplest daily tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and even more. The best part about this app is it's completely free to download off the Google Play Store and has tons of features to check out. So let's dive right into what Lootup has to offer and how you can make money right away using this incredible app. Right off the bat, this app offers new members a $5 sign-up bonus when they earn 10,000 points in their first 30 days. And all you have to do is just click this Get Started button and create your account, and then you can start earning those incentives right away with this incredible app. After you create your account, you'll see that you can start earning reward points by completing the simplest tasks like verifying your email, completing your profile, and more. Lootup also shows you how long each of these tasks should take, and most of them don't take long at all. And after you earn a good number of reward points, Lootup has several options on how you can cash out your rewards, whether it's cash through PayPal, choosing from a wide variety of gift cards, or even redeeming cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Right now, we're looking at the Lootup earnings tracker where you can see how many points you've earned so far. And if you swipe right, you're going to see all the different tasks you can complete to earn a certain amount of points. As you can see, completing your profile is 50 points, subscribe to push notifications 25 points, tons of options and tasks to choose from, and you can even play games to earn rewards and points. So if you want to play a game rather than taking a survey or doing something like that, you can definitely just go to this game section and play any games. It's going to show you how many points you can earn in that certain amount of time, which is definitely worth checking out. When you feel you've earned enough points to cash out, you can just go to this redeem section right here, and you have the option to choose between crypto, gift cards, and PayPal. If we scroll down, you're going to see all the different types of gift cards you can get right through this app. Then if we go to crypto, you can just put in that information. It's going to tell you how many points and how much crypto you will be getting based off of those points you've earned. Then you can also put in your PayPal information as well to get your cash out that way. Completely up to you with all these options you have on Lootup. Overall, with Lootup, you can earn incredible rewards and prizes by completing the simplest daily tasks, and who doesn't love that? And I suggest getting started on Lootup as fast as you can because they're launching some major giveaways that are running to the end of August, like 1 million Lootup points and swag, 125,000 Lootup points. All these giveaways are launching till the end of August, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that opportunity, and make sure to stick around because they're going to be announcing a cashback feature that is coming soon. And keep in mind, this app is completely free to download off the Google Play Store, and the app offers new members a $5 sign-up bonus when they earn 10,000 points in their first 30 days. So there is no investment needed to get started. All you have to do is just go to the Google Play Store, download Lootup, create an account, and you'll be good to go to start making money right away with this incredible app. The link to Lootup is in the description of this video, so go give it a download ASAP so you don't miss out on their August giveaways. And trust me guys, you do not want to miss out on this app. It is definitely worth your while. The next app I want to show you is one of our favorite news apps out there, Reuters. And with Reuters, it's a globally trusted news organization that will give you updates about the most important news in the world at the moment and give you updates for specific categories of news that you care about the most. So let's take a look at what this app has to offer and all the news that you can get right at your fingertips. Right on the homepage of this app, you can see this main menu section will give you different categories of all your favorite news out there, including home, world, business, legal, technology, and so many others. And if you click on a drop down arrow right here, you'll see they even give you more information specific to that category of news that you're choosing. As you can see, I just clicked world right here, and it gives you tons of different options to choose from in that category. And this is the same with all these other features right here. For example, if we want to click on business, you'll see all these different options we can choose from and find the news that you care about the most with all these options. As you can see, tons to choose from. So let's take a closer look at Reuters. For any news article that you love or find the most interesting, you can actually save by just clicking this button right here. And now it's going to be saved to your library on this app. And say you want to share this news article with someone else, you can just click this tab right here and you're going to have the option to send it to any of your contacts or any of your social media accounts that you want to. So this is one way you can share and save your favorite news articles. And Reuters also has this Reuters Now section, which will give you live updates in video form of any news that's going on at the moment. As you can see, I'm on this section right now, and there's tons of different videos for news that you can watch at the moment that are all going on right now, right here. They also have this trending section where if you click on that, you're going to see all the trending stocks and information for all the market updates that you got going on. If you want to check on certain stocks or certain trust funds that you're looking at, at to see how they're going in the market at the moment. You can also search their news, topics, videos, and more right in the search section. You can just type in any article, any category that you want to find right here, and it'll come up. So if you want to type in a specific sports team that you have interest in, any stocks or any updates with the market, you can just type this in the search section and it'll come up right here at your fingertips for you to read about it more in detail. I know there's tons of news apps out there and everyone has their preference on which app or which source they like to get their news from, but Reuters is our favorite and it's one of the most trusted globally. So I definitely recommend going on the Google Play Store and downloading Reuters as fast as you can to get your favorite news right at your fingertips on your Google Pixel. The link to the app is going to be in the description of this video, so give it a chance and check it out when you get the chance. The next app I want to talk about is one you've probably heard of, and that's Duolingo. But the reason I'm recommending Duolingo to all of you is because I'm trying to currently learn Spanish, and Duolingo has helped me greatly along the way. It makes it fun to learn a language, and it makes it very easy. So in no time, you'll have a new language picked up, and you can use it whenever. So I want to show you how Duolingo works and how it's super easy to learn a new language with this incredible app. To start off, all you have to do is just choose which language you'd like to learn. Like I said, I'm trying to learn Spanish, so let's click that and click continue right here. And now it's going to take you to a page where it's going to load a little bit, and it's going to ask you how much Spanish do you know. And like I said, I'm going to click I'm new to Spanish for all the beginners out there. Then we're going to click continue. It's going to say why you're learning Spanish, and you're going to say just for fun or any of these options that make sense for you. Just click that, click continue, and now it's going to continue to load and ask you questions about why you want to learn Spanish and how to do so. Say you're not too invested in learning a new language, but you do want to get better. You can choose a daily learning goal and how long you want to practice a day. So if I'm going to choose 10 minutes a day for a regular student right here, we're going to click continue, and now it's going to tell you to find the best place to start. So let's click learning Spanish for the first time right here, click continue, and now it's going to help you learn Spanish right at your fingertips with this incredible app. I'm not going to dive into too much depth about how to use Duolingo because it's pretty self-explanatory and it's a very easy app to use, but overall, if you want to learn a new language, Duolingo is the #1 app to help you do so. It's trusted worldwide, and I use it every day to learn my Spanish and improve on that, and you guys are going to have fun along the way, so trust me when I tell you Duolingo is the app to use it, and it's going to be in the description of this video, so make sure to check that out if you want to learn a new language using Duolingo after this video.
If you're still using old-fashioned, slow charging and messy lightning charging cables, it is time for you to say goodbye to those. Your phone has incredible MagSafe technology built right into it, which allows you to wirelessly and magnetically charge your devices. If you're going to invest so much money into an iPhone, then you should be giving yourself a premium experience, which all starts with something that you need to do every day, and that is charging your actual device. Get the absolute most out of your iPhone with LGear's 2-in-1 lightning charging stand. This stand allows you to magnetically and wirelessly charge both your iPhone and your AirPods simultaneously. Place your phone anywhere on the sleek charging stand and you're going to feel that magnet automatically attach right to your phone. LGear wanted to make sure that you can use your phone for all of its uses without having to take it off the stand, which is why they included dual coil technology so you can use your phone both vertically and horizontally in landscape mode. This means that you can still send your messages, emails, or anything else, or you can flip your phone sideways and watch your favorite videos and movies while your phone is still being charged in the background. This stand is made with the highest quality materials like metal and tempered glass, and they also put non-slip silicone on the bottom of the stand. LGear used official MagSafe technology, so you never need to worry about your phone falling off the stand or having to fidget around with your phone to get it in the right position. As I already mentioned, this is a 2-in-1 lightning charging stand, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time by using the second wireless charger on the back of this stand. This is perfect for charging a pair of headphones or even a second iPhone. Wait no longer and finally go upgrade your charging experience by going to LGear.com. Stop using those old-fashioned, slow charging and messy lightning cables and upgrade to the 2-in-1 lightning charging stand that's perfect for your desk or your nightstand, and it's also being sold at an incredibly discounted rate. So go to LGear.com. The link's on the screen and down in the description. Enjoy.
The next app I want to talk about is one that actually comes with the Google Pixel as soon as you get it, and that is Google TV. So there's tons of different streaming platforms and apps that you can download right on the Google Play Store when you get the chance. But the thing about Google TV and the Google Pixel itself is that it has a large screen with very great display and quality of that display, which makes it great for watching movies and streaming your favorite TV shows and content right here. So I recommend downloading any of your favorite streaming applications for your Google Pixel because of its large and high quality screen for watching any of this content. But the great thing about Google TV is it has all these different sections you can choose from, and it comes right with the Google Pixel as soon as you get it. it. As you can see, we're on the highlight section going over the best movies at the moment that are new releases. It also has a For You section where you can find all the movies and TVs that are good fits for you, and you can add them right to your playlist or buy them if you want to. And then lastly, you can shop right here if you want to purchase any certain movies to watch on your Google Pixel. Like all these options like Top Gun Maverick, which was a huge hit at the box office, and I definitely recommend watching that. Tons of movies you can choose from and TV shows that you can just purchase. But Google TV is a great app for you to watch movies and TV shows right on your Google Pixel due to its high quality screen that you have right here. And then after you buy your movies, you're going to go to this For Your Stuff section, and there's going to be all the movies and TV shows that you've purchased over the years that you can have right at your fingertips as soon as you download and get those movies, and you can begin watching them right away. Another app that comes with the Google Pixel as soon as you get it is the Google Fit app, and I definitely recommend using this if you like to keep track of your exercise and how much movement you're getting in the days, because this app does a great job at tracking all of that information and analytics right here on this phone. And I'm going to walk you through some more detail about why this app is perfect for tracking your exercise. Right here on the homepage is going to show your heart points, how many calories you burned, how many miles, and how many minutes you've moved a day. It's also going to show you how much of your daily goals you've accomplished throughout the week. And if you scroll down, there's tons of more information to check out. So for example, it says your weekly target, 0 out of 150, and it also says scoring 150 heart points a week can help you live longer, sleep better, and boost your mood. So I'll give you tips along the way as you're tracking your exercise and movement with this app. It's going to tell me the steps I've walked throughout the days in the past week, how much energy I've expended, and it's going to give you more recommendations. And also, if you'd like to, you can go to this journal section and you can add any journal notes that you want to show your progress or write down any news that you have while you're exercising if you want to mark those down. You can also add certain metrics that are according to your body that'll help track your quality of exercise better and your movement. So for example, you can even add your blood pressure, your weight, and you can track your workout. But if you want to add your weight, by adding that weight, it's going to give you recommendations on how much calories you need to burn for that specific weight, how much movement you need, and so on. You can also do blood pressure, and you can add any activity that you like just by clicking this section right here, and you can title it, choose the start date, the duration, any information that you want to put down in this journal section. You can definitely do that right here on this Google Fit app. You can also search health data on this app. You can search your activity, body measurements, your vitals. You can even add nutrition updates if you want. If you're trying to track and stay healthy and eat clean, you can definitely do that. And also sleep, which I definitely recommend checking out. And the better sleep that you get, the better your exercise and workouts are going to be. And I definitely recommend checking this section out. So if we click on that right here, it's going to tell you how much sleep you need and how you can get updates and choose your sleep duration and bedtime schedule on this Google Fit app. Lastly, we have our profile where you can set your certain goals that you want to achieve, like your certain amount of steps and your heart points. Right now, I have 7,500 steps a day for 30 heart points. I can choose my bedtime schedule, which is 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. So I'll receive a notification when it's time to get up in that morning and if I'm following that bedtime schedule. You can also put in more information about your specific metrics, like if your weight, your gender, your birthday, and your height. So I definitely recommend putting in all this information so you can get better quality results and data when tracking your exercise and fitness on this Google Fit app. So definitely check this out. This app comes with the Google Pixel, so you don't need to check it out on a link in the description, but I definitely recommend using it as soon as you get your Google Pixel. You can all get super busy, and that makes it tricky to try and get to the grocery store and buy all the products that you need. It's very time consuming sometimes depending on how far away you live from a grocery store. So that's why I recommend Instacart as one of our favorite apps for this video. With Instacart, you can actually get your groceries delivered directly to you without having to move from your house. You can tap a button and get your groceries, and you can also shop from your favorite stores. You can choose which grocery stores you want to have sent to you when you buy those products. You can also choose from tons of different products, and the people who are searching and buying those products at the grocery store, even if they don't have those products available in the grocery store, they'll send you alternatives that are similar to that product, so you can choose and pick those if your products that aren't available for you. I'm not signed into this Instacart on my Google Pixel since I use a different phone, but I definitely recommend downloading Instacart on your Google Pixel if you have one, so you can get your groceries delivered to you if you don't have time to go out. I use this all the time, especially when I was at school. It came in very handy when I was on a time constraint and I need to get my groceries delivered to me. So I definitely recommend downloading Instacart. It's worth your while if you're very busy and you need to get those groceries sent to you. You can handpick all your groceries and they'll send you alternatives if those aren't available in those grocery stores. And you can choose from hundreds of different grocery stores to choose from that are near you. So definitely give it a chance and download Instacart when you get the chance. It's going to be in the description of this video, so definitely check it out. And if you're new to a Google Pixel and you want want to download more apps, just go to the Google Play Store. It's right on the homepage of the Google Pixel. These have all the apps that you want to use and download right at your fingertips. We have multiple sections like games, apps, offers, and books. So whenever you want to download a new app, just go to the Google Play Store right under the Google Pixel, and you'll be able to download any of the apps that you choose. And make sure to check out all the apps I shared with you. Some of them come with the Google Pixel, but here's where you download them if you weren't aware. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. These were our favorite apps to download for the Google Pixel and all Android phones. And also make sure to go to appfindvip.com and subscribe to our email newsletter to get the best mobile apps and games delivered directly to your email inbox. And while you're at it, go give us a follow at AppFindVIP, which is our Instagram account where we share the best tips, tricks, and hidden features on all iPhone and Androids out there. We also share our favorite apps right here on this Instagram, so definitely check that out when you guys get the chance. And all the apps links are going to be in the description of this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.